Dan Robbins, principal here at EC3. We're so excited for another year. Here we are, starting year 6. I can't believe that we are now in year 6. But here at EC3, our students come to join us to take on several different pathways. Some of our students may take on our Culinary Arts pathway, Automotive, Welding, Air and Space, Engineering, IT, Media Arts, and our Health Sciences pathway. And on top of that, some of our students take on our Early College Academy program. So either as a junior or a senior, those students come to us and they have a full day of dual credit where they have the opportunity to graduate high school with their associate's degree. So we're super excited for all of our students. We will have about 1,400 students that will walk through our doors this school year. So again, we are growing tremendously, and we're very excited about that for another year. If you have some questions about EC3 and would like to know a little bit more, you can visit us at Hardin County Schools website. Just go to our high school link and you can find us there, or give us a call from our number again, 270-769-7930.
Hello, my name is Monica Hall, and I'm one of the health science teachers here at EC3. The health science program offers 4 different capstone programs. The 4 programs are pharmacy technician, EKG technician, phlebotomy technician, and Medicaid nurse aide. Once the students have completed the pathway that they are in, they sit for a certification test. EKG and phlebotomy tech and pharmacy tech will sit for the NHA certification. Medicaid nurse aide students will sit for the state registered nursing assistant exam.
Hello, my name is Ed Reeser. I'm the lead instructor for Health Sciences Pathway here at EC3. The classes that I teach are the prerequisite classes that the students will start out with. Principles of health science, medical terminology, and emergency procedures. Now, once the students have taken those classes, then they are eligible to go on and work on their capstone courses, which is the Medicaid nurse aide, the phlebotomy technician, the EKG technician, the pharmacy technician, and there are other areas that they can work on in the meantime, but they may not be able to achieve a certification here at EC3.
I'm Jackson Rochford. I've been through the IT program here at EC3. Some of the things that are offered are the HTML certification and the Python certification, which involve you learning the forms of code, going through it, and getting your certification. We also offer the classes offered are computer programming, game design, graphic design with 3D game graphics. And they go through all the through some of the programs used and focus more on, in computer programming, it focuses on Python coding. The game design program focuses through getting ideas and how you would involve them into video games. And then the 3D graphic design involves the Unity engine, which would allow you to create visuals and aesthetics for possibly games or any other form of entertainment. And if you pass 3 of the classes and get at least 2 certifications through it, you get the IT certification, which shows that you understand the fundamentals of IT.
So I'm Mary Dunn. I teach Media Arts here at EC3. This is a pathway with 4 full credits, and when they are done, they'll be certified as an Adobe Associate, learning Premiere Pro and some of the other Adobe platforms. We produce a news magazine for HCEC-TV. Our students work the live truck and actually, help film all the games and stuff, so you've probably seen them out there doing that. We also are a PBS student reporting lab, and so we do some bigger stories and some really cool things for PBS. So that opens up a lot of opportunities for the students. So there you go. We are a busy little place here, chasing down stories in our community and about our schools.
So I'm Brandy New, and I'm part of the IT pathway here at EC3. I teach a gender split programming class, so we have a class for girls, which has drastically increased our enrollment in that class. So in the class, they can get MTAs in JavaScript, Python, HTML, CSS, and other basics in computer programming. And this year we're looking forward to making some websites for some local nonprofits as a part of our class.
All right, my name is Chris Basham. I'm a welding teacher here at EC3. This is my first year at EC3. I've had 17 years prior teaching experience in Breckenridge County. I come here, was hired here on July 1st. Anxious to get started with the new school year. To get a little bit of knowledge about myself, I've been doing in the welding field for about now 28 years of working in the field and teaching. This program here at EC3, we offer three classes a day. We start off with stick welding the first trimester, go to basic welding, and another stick class. As the trimesters go through, we're going to get into MIG welding, TIG welding, oxy-fuel cutting processes. Good thing about the welding program now is it's a high demand. We offer certifications through the program. Kids can come out here and get certified and get a college career ready right out of high school. So I'm looking forward to this 1920 school year and hopefully put some of these young men and women in the workforce for the welding career.
I'm Chris Carter. I'm the new teacher for Air and Space, and I'm a very new hire, so I don't have a whole lot of details about the program, but I'm looking forward to a rather large adventure with all of the students. And I've got a flight instruction background, so I'm actually bringing real-life experience into the classroom.
Jason Nagel, Early College Career Center, Project Lead the Way Engineering. Students that attend the Early College Career Center for the Project Lead the Way Engineering pathway can take courses in digital electronics, computer integrated manufacturing, civil engineering and architecture, and engineering design development. We also have a special topics course in VEX robotics. So students take Introduction to Engineering Design and Principles of Engineering their freshman and sophomore years, and then come to EC3 their junior and senior years to finish out their pathway. We do industry certifications in Autodesk Revit and Autodesk Inventor.
Hi, I'm Linda Lowe. I'm with the Culinary Arts program at EC3, along with Chef Becca Miller. I am teaching Intro to Culinary Arts. This is a new pathway here at EC3. It's the first year that we've had this here. It begins with culinary arts, what all that you need to build your culinary career, and leads into Culinary 1 and Culinary 2. In Culinary 1 and Culinary 2, that's when you come together to get your pathway certification, which is ServSafe.
My name is Tom Pitt. I'm the automotive instructor for Hardin County Schools Early College and Career Center. With our pathway, we have maintenance, light repair, A, B, C, and D, and we have basic automotive. And in the basic automotive class, those are all the things that I wish I had learned in automotive school that I didn't. Things about how the industry works, how technicians are paid, a little bit of history, and some theory too. And in maintenance, light repair, we talk about theory, electrical systems, engine repair, engine performance. We talk about steering, suspension, brakes, climate control, various other things. And so at the end, students have the opportunity to co-op with a number of dealerships. Mainly we've been co-oping with the Swope family of dealerships. They've been wonderful with our program. And so at the very end, in addition to working with Swope, they can leave with up to 10 entry-level ASE, Automotive Service Excellence certifications. And so that can go with them into continuing education or into the workforce. So that's very, very beneficial for them and for us as well.